Mainly, Automation Corporation has more than 25 years of logistics automation experience in 3C electronics sector. Mainly helps notebook and panel giants such as Acer, Quanta, Compal, MeTech, Asus, Gigabyte, BenQ and others to build up logistics automation. Mainly also has its own industrial control products SMT line. Therefore, Mainly can fully handle the requirements of material supply of SMT and meet the customer expectations. LC Future Center is a joint venture between Lenovo and Compal. The two companies work together for the first time, using innovative technology to create a world-class SMT production base. LCFC specifically relies on HIC for third-party logistics, and Mainly for our professional experience in logistics automation. Based on LCFC's demand, we tailor-make the automated material handling system for its SMT line. This system is the very first in the world which uses automated storage and retrieval system ASR as the transfer shed, digital picking system and conveyor system to supply materials to the SMT line. This system coordinates the technologies of automation and informatization, including automatic store-in, store-out, identification, conveying, real-time data exchange and others. It not only reduces manpower by more than 90 people, but also increases operation efficiency and accuracy significantly, and creates greater profit for LCFC and HIC. The system components Phase 1. The product to be handled SMT parts. Lot size 620 mm long by 430 mm wide by 320 mm high. Load 50 kg per bucket. 1 bucket type crane, aka storage retrieval machine SRM, 5 machines. 2. 10 rows of racks, 10,350 cells. 3. Conveyor system, 1,050 meter. 4. DPS picking system, 96 picking stands. 5. Electrical control system, 1 set. 6. Computer software and hardware system, 1 set. This system uses mainly 5th generation bucket type crane, which has the newest way of traveling with a speed up to 180 to 200 meters per minute. It has the latest working elevating dual-axis cam laser closed-loop design. The crane takes orders from infrared link. It carries out the store-in, store-out, moving and inventory orders with high efficiency. The efficiency is achieved by synchronized dual-axis control. Closed-loop design lets the acceleration reach the perfect state of non-stopping. It greatly reduces the shaking when the crane stops. The products are protected and lifespan of the crane is extended. The maintenance cost is also highly reduced. The 5th generation crane also catches the environmental trend. It has an energy-saving mode that operates in non-peak hours to save electricity cost. Store-in area. Suppliers' materials go through WMS to be received and inspected, then stored into the traditional rack. Then, according to SMT line's safety stock request, they are unpacked and stocked into the ASRs. Each material has a unique ID number. Once stocked into the ASRs, its location and route can be thoroughly monitored. HIC's WMS gives data of store-in container to WCS. WCS reads the number on the container from a fixed barcode reader. WCS finds the best place for the container according to the status of crane and spaces. ASRS puts the container to the warehouse. Store-out area. Twice a day, one in day and once in night period, the store-out and ASRS send call of data to the WCS according to WMS info. WCS sorts the orders based on priority and other rules, then automatically orders crane to take out the containers. The containers are sent through conveyors to the picking stations. Picking system. After LCFC ERP sent the production line's daily request to HIC WMS, the computing of the picking system automatically starts. It chooses the correct container from AS/RS to store out one by one. The container moves through the main conveying line to the sorting station. Each sorting station has 16 sorting stands on both sides. There are 6 sorting stations, with 96 sorting stands in total. The sorting system dynamically assigns the stands of SMT line. When the container with materials enters the sorting station, computer-aided picking system (CAPS) and the sorting station automatically shows the materials quantity which needs to be sorted. This helps the personnel to find out the SMT stand that needs the materials. Personnel scan the 2D barcode on the materials one by one. Identification, which used to be affected by human errors, is now handled by computer. If error occurs, picking system will alarm the personnel and ensure the accuracy of sorting. The sorted container moves to the next requesting stand. Personnel don't need to worry where the containers are going and do not need to spend time moving them. If the container is empty, it will automatically return to the front area of AS/RS for restocking, then head to the warehouse. If a container still has materials left, it will automatically return to AS/RS to be stored. An even smarter design is that if there is a second sorting command which needs the materials in the container, that particular container will automatically return to the sorting station and execute the sorting command. This saves the time of storing in and storing out again. The sorted materials are put into the box on the sorting stand. Picking system informs the personnel to push the box into the conveyor line. The boxes converge at SMT workshop, where they are automatically weighed and moved. Then they are automatically sorted to different collecting windows on the line. By this stage, the picking system has already reported the 2D barcode data of the material in each box to WMS and to LCFC ERP. Therefore, personnel only need to scan the 2D barcode on the material and the reception is completed. We not only simplify the storing in and storing out in warehouse, but also make the data link seamless. The link allows LCFC to trace the materials in the SMT line down to each single material. Material collecting area. Each box from the picking area has to be checked by the barcode reader and weighed by the automatic scale. The box ID and the weight of the box are sent to WCS. The boxes from the picking area are sent through the elevated conveyor to P1 SMT collecting area. Before entering P1 SMT collecting area, each box is again checked for box ID and weight. The system verifies the data on the box. If it's correct, the box follows the setting of each station and goes to respective collecting window. The personnel follow the screen at each window, take out the boxes, and put them respectively on the designated cart of each SMT line. The empty boxes are put into the entrance of the returning line. The system automatically sends them back to the picking area. The benefit after bringing in this system: visible benefits. Save 70% of floor space. Save 2/3 of manpower. Efficiency is increased by 3 times. First in, first out. Security and anti-theft. Intangible benefits. Promote company's image. Improve working environment and strengthen cohesiveness. It can be expanded with great flexibility. This system of mainly automation is the very first in the world. Through the precise control of computer software, the system performs storing out and sorting from ASRS automatically. Compared to traditional warehouse, this part saves at least 2/3 of manpower. Rack space saves at least 70% of floor space. Don't even mention the labor and site spending on picking and sorting. This system perfectly merges the technology of automation and informatization. It highly simplifies the complexity and manpower of SMT material supply. The real-time data exchange with LCFC SAP ensures the data accuracy and consistency. The ASRS system truly creates greater profit and convenience for the enterprise, also guarantees the investment return.